How to back up and restore SMS on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can back up and restore your SMS messages in Android so that you can restore them on any Android device you switch to later on. So now this is also device specific features. Some device may have it and while some may not. In my case, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, so I also have this feature by default. In order to enable this feature, I have to go to my settings app and then tap on my Samsung account. So you want to make sure you're logged into your Samsung account and then tap on your profile over here. Once you do so, here you'll find the option that says Samsung Cloud, so just go ahead and select Samsung Cloud as well. And as you've done that, over here you have to scroll down and select the option called backup data, which is at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on backup data, and here you want to make sure that messages is actually turned on. Once you turn on messages backup, and then you want to tap on the backup now option, which is at the bottom of the screen. What this does is that it is going to go ahead and back up all of your messages data and other data that you've chose on your account, and whenever you log into that account from other Android devices, you can come back and then you could tap on the restore data button. It will select a time frame and then you can go ahead and restore that. Now if you have a Google account, this also works similar ways. If you are using a Pixel smartphone and you are using the Google Messages app, it really means that you also have the option to back up everything to your cloud and you can go ahead and restore them always later on. And that's all it takes to back up and restore SMS in Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.